everyone.
Hi everyone.
Welcome to another day, another Vlogmas. Day number 14.
Yeah.
14. 10 more days till Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve.
And then Christmas.
Wow.
So today we're going to my friend, old coworker, and his wife. They're having a little Christmas get together.
Yep.
So we're just gonna go and have fun.
Yeah, exactly.
Always
And what do we do later?
What do we do later? Oh, tonight.
Christmas lights.
So at the harbor, they're gonna put lights on the boats, and you can watch them sail by. And we're gonna go with our neighbor again and his two kids.
Yeah.
And his wife. So
I'm excited.
cool.
Right.
Enjoy.
Bye.
Bye. There's traffic.
We are going.
15 more minutes of traffic. So.
Yeah, a lot of traffic. You can take a nap.
Here.
Ready? Good job. Yay! Sitting. Good sitting. Good sitting. Daddy's here. The sweater is like from last year, but she can still wear it. So
That's
cute.
awesome.
We stay about 2 hours.
Yeah,
And we gotta go. Yeah, we gotta go. So
Busy life.
a lot of events today. We gotta go see the lights.
Well,
I'm
they had a
excited.
late party, that's why. 2
Yeah,
o'clock.
true.
So
And
not
people
12.
came over late. So
Right, so we got home and I made a really quick all-day dinner for Haley. Fried rice and edamame, cheese, and vegetable. Cheese. And I'm waiting for... And Carter is getting food for us. Something light, solid. Yeah, food. So we didn't plan well. We should have eaten before the party. Yeah, I think. But we didn't and we were so hungry. We water. And now we need to eat. Like it's 5 o'clock, so it's kind of like a dinner. Yeah, dinner. So we eat really quick and then we gotta leave. Okay? Haley.
Alright, so we're heading to the harbor right now. We are so late because of Haley. The Christmas lights starting at 7.
The boats are going to start parading at 7
Yeah,
or
so hopefully we can get there by that time.
so. At least a little bit, we'll see.
Yeah, we might miss it, but right.
hot chocolate. Let's get some.
Just one?
Two's good.
Two? Alright.
Right?
No, one.
What?
I don't need
Oh, one then.
I can sit.
Want some hot chocolate again? Or you guys are
Marshmallows, candy canes, whipped cream.
Whipped cream.
Whatever you like.
Okay, I like all of it.
All of it? Alright.
Let me do
That
a
works.
marshmallow and a candy cane.
Alright.
And whip the cream. I like it.
Sprinkles?
Yeah, sure.
Why
Load it up,
not?
baby. YOLO.
That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let me get you a lid here.
Oh wait, don't do it yet.
No,
I'm
no
gonna
lid?
film it.
Oh, okay.
Thank
Awesome,
you.
here you are.
Oh, you can put it here. I'll just
Okay,
give you the money
Yeah,
first.
Cool, thank you.
Thank you.
Let me get you some change here.
He's gonna film. Okay. You know what hot cocoa is? You never had
Hot
cocoa?
cocoa.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, have a great night.
Okay. What's
Big.
next? Good. Sure. Oh, thank you so much. La la la. Mmm. Mmm. Kiss kiss. Mmm. It's so good. Hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Never had hot cocoa before. Bafadi?
She thinks it's coffee.
Hot, hot, hot.
Itchy. One, two.
You think it goes all the way around like that?
Good job. Cheese. Right. Cheese. Santa. Haley. Haley.
Are you excited to book the old school that one again? You did it 3 or 4 times that day.
Yeah, a lot.
Look at
Yeah,
this.
that's great.
You got that one taste?
Ma, oh, ma.
You're a mess.
Haley, Nana. Don't play. Good night. Oyasumi. Night night.
We just got home. We put Haley down. She was so energetic. I don't know what's going on, but it's about 9 o'clock at night.
Yeah, she wanted to play more. I'm like, you gotta go to bed.
Yeah, we brushed her teeth and put her pajamas on, and she started pulling out more toys.
Yeah. I can't believe it. She didn't even take it that much
Yeah.
nap anyway.
Yeah, but we had fun with our friend, my friend Jack. Met some more of his friends. It was fun, and then we drove back home, and then went to the pier or the harbor. That was my first time
Boat
going.
lights.
Yeah, it was really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed all the lights. And then I didn't know there was all those restaurants down there, and it's so close to our house. So I think we're gonna have another trip out there when it's some nice weather.
Yeah.
Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on Ames Family Instagram. This was Vlogmas day number 14.
Yeah. Oh my
So
God.
15 coming up.
Mm-hmm.
All right, thanks everyone.
All right.
Good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow.